Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Who is it?
Hey, turn the fucking TV down.
Who is it?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, it's your neighbor.
My member?
Your neighbor, you dumb
Oh,
This is
my
the...
neighbor?
Yeah, your neighbor, the paper you've been stealing. My paper.
You paper?
Yes, my newspaper every morning that comes to my house, and you come over and take it and bring it to your house?
Your paper?
It's 50 cents every day, and I pay for the goddamn paper.
I take your paper?
Yeah, you take my paper.
Why?
I don't know why. That's why I'm calling you. I'm trying to find out why the hell you do something like that.
Why you know that? Why you know I take it?
Yeah, I know you take it. You want me to kick your ass?
Why you know I take it?
Yeah, you stop taking my paper, otherwise I'm gonna kick some ass.
Oh!
I want you to go get the paper right now and read it to me, because I don't know what the hell's going on in the world, because I don't have a frickin' paper.
Motherfucker, shit, bitch!
Hey! You don't talk to me like that!
What's that, guy? You want a turbo, right?
What?
You want a turbo, right?
You want some trouble?
You want a turbo!
If you want trouble, I got trouble right here waiting for you! You bring my f***ing paper home now, and then you'll see trouble! Yeah! Hey, you know what? You wrap that f***ing paper up back the way it was, and you get it right outside right now! You know what? I'll meet you right in between our yards, and we're gonna throw some shit down!
Hello?
Hello?
What are you calling?
Why are you trying to change your voice?
What are you calling?
I know who this is. I would just want to get my newspaper back on a regular basis, alright?
You want a newspaper?
Yeah, I want my newspaper back.
Yeah, just come in my house,
And I'm tired of playing with you. You don't want me in your house, because I'll tear that thing apart.
Police, come in my house now!
You want me to come over there?
Yeah!
Kick your ass, I'll take my newspaper?
Yeah!
I can be over there in 2 seconds.
Alright.
Alright.
Just wait for you.
Okay.
In the house, now.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
Come in now.
Okay, you keep the door unlocked and I'll walk right in there.
Just come in 5 minutes now.
Okay, no, not 5 minutes. I'm coming over right now.
Alright, come in.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's get it on.
Alright, come in.
All right, here I come.
Alright, come in.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
Okay.
I just wait for you, okay?
Okay.
I've ready everything.
Okay, you ready?
5 minutes now. If you not come in, I just call police.